Hi, this is Kenny David with KD Cuts. I've just finished putting together this tote, a simple two-panel tote that I got from Tandy at the leathercraftlibrary.com. It's a free pattern. This is my PDF printout of the pattern. I made the bag 16 inches by 16 inches. The original pattern calls out for 16 by 18, so I've changed the dimension a little bit. I've used 3/4 inches for my straps versus 1 1/4 inches, which is what the original pattern calls for. And I made my holes 3/8 in diameter, and I used a 1/2 inch wide lace that I made from a 2-3 ounce veg tand. The original pattern calls out for a 5mm hole and the use of Kodiak lace to hold it together. I used oversized silver rivets for hardware and a magnetic clasp for a closure. You can see that I've stained it in black. This is Tandy's EcoFlow water-based stain. I've tooled the handles with a simple veiner, and I also tooled the panels, and it's a Barry King geometric stamp. And last but not least, I put my maker's marker down in the corner. So it's the Tandy tote. It's available at leathercraftlibrary.com. And if you found this interesting, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.